Hey guys! Hi everybody! So today I'm gonna be doing my part 2 of my fall nail series, and I'm also gonna be challenging myself to use only one set. So I'm gonna try these out. Also, if you guys are interested to buy this set, I'm gonna be linking it down in my description. So yeah. So if you want to come with me to do my nails, like and subscribe and keep on watching. Hello, my name's Debo. So I've already had my Gel X tips applied. These are natural round medium, and what you're seeing me do right here is that I'm applying a layer of builder gel on top of the Gel X just to strengthen it even more. You can, however, use any other types of gel. You can use glue or even hard gel for this one, but I just prefer using this Monolone's builder gel because it self-levels and it's easier to maneuver. And we're just gonna be applying a layer of this, just one layer. Like, don't go ham, okay? Okay? Girly, chill. And after that, we're just gonna be curing it for 60 seconds because we don't want contact dermatitis. No, we don't want that. To start with the nail art, I'm gonna be using 2725 on my thumb, and I'm gonna be applying 2 layers of this. Then moving over to the index finger, I'm going to be using 2724 and I'm going to be applying 2 layers of that. Now this is a magnetic cat eye gel. So the first layer, I'm going to make the shimmers go away and then cure it. Then we're just going to be applying another layer of that. And this will be the time that you perfect the design using the magnet. Oh, and just to make sure that you guys know, the magnet also comes with the set, so you don't really have to worry about anything. And as you guys can see right here, I'm kind of doing a magnetic line. And then we're just gonna cure it. For the middle finger, I'm only gonna be using 1 coat of 2453 because this one's a bit more opaque than the others. Then we're just gonna be doing a similar magnetic line design to our index finger. The ring finger's a bit sophisticated because for this one, we're going to be having 2 colors merged into one. So it's kind of like an ombre. So what I do right here is I'm going to use a brush like this and kind of blend it to the other side. And once that's blended, we're going to be doing a similar magnetic line design to the other fingers as well. Now grabbing the gel polish that we used on our index finger, I'm going to be applying it on the other half, and I'm also going to be blending it out. Now for this one, I am going to put on 2 layers because it's not as opaque as I want it to be. What you're seeing me do right here is that I'm actually doing the magnetic design each layer. Grabbing 2724, I'm going to be applying that all over my pinky finger. I'm also going to be doing the same mechanism that I used on my index finger. First creating 1 layer and then making the shimmers go away. And then for the second layer, I'm going to do the magnetic design. Now for the designs, I'm going to be using that orangey cat eye color, and I'm going to use it as an all over French tip on my index finger. Now after doing the whole French tip, I'm also going to be using the magnet because, you know, I have control issues like that. For the pinky, I'm gonna be using the same polish, but I'm only gonna do a regular French tip on this one, of course, with the magnetic designs as well. And you completely don't have to do this, but I do make sure that the magnetic design also matches the existing design on the background because, you know, I have issues. I have a Virgo rising, so that's the only explanation. For a bit of razzle dazzle, I'm gonna be applying 2741 on my middle finger, and this is just a topper. It's like a shimmery topper, and it looks really pretty on top of this magnetic color. And after all the nail art, I'm just gonna be top coating everything just to make sure that everything is sparkly and locked in. Putting in some oils for some extra TLC because we put our nails through a lot. And then we're done. That's the nail art, guys. How do we feel? Comment down below. Okay, so that's it, guys. If you have any idea of what videos I should do next, please comment them down below. I kind of want to start doing vlogs. Like, do you guys want vlogs or something? I'd be down for that. But yeah, hope you guys love this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!